What I'm going to explain to you is going to take around 20 minutes. So if you're serious about learning to tattoo, the next 20 minutes or so will be the most important 20 minutes that you've ever spent on the subject. If you're not serious, then click away now. I'm not going to be offended, but you are going to save both of us some time. My name is Ben Fisher, and I've taught over 100,000 people from more than 50 countries how to tattoo. So in the next 20 minutes or so, I'm going to explain something specific. I'm going to explain why most people who try to learn this craft fail. And I'm going to explain what actually works and why. And I'm going to explain what you need to do about it. I'm not going to sell you anything in the first half of this video. The pitch comes at the end, and you'll know when that is because I'm going to tell you. Here's what I'm going to guess about you. You want to learn how to tattoo. You've wanted to for a while. You've watched videos. You might have bought a machine. You might have walked into a studio and been turned away, or you haven't tried yet because you think that you would be. If any of that sounds like you, this video is for you. If none of it does, it isn't. And I respect your time enough to say so. What I'm going to lay out is a path, a clear step-by-step path. It's not a shortcut. It doesn't promise that you'll be tattooing for money in 30 days because that promise would be a lie. It is, though, the fastest, honest route from where you are now, which is to say not yet able to tattoo a clean line on skin, to where you want to be. And it doesn't need anyone's permission. So let's start. Here's the promise of the next 20 minutes or so. You'll leave knowing exactly why most ways of learning to tattoo fail, what the real path looks like, and how to walk it from where you are right now, without an apprenticeship, without studio approval, and without guessing anymore. I want to tell you something about me first, because whether you believe the rest of this depends on it. So I grew up in Knottonley, West Yorkshire, the UK. Working class town. Tattooing wasn't a job the school's career advisor had on the list. I didn't go to art school. I didn't have family in the industry, and I had no connections at all. What I did have was a portfolio and the willingness to walk into tattoo studios and ask for an apprenticeship. I did that 15 times. 15 studios. Every single one said no. Some looked at the portfolio, some didn't even do that. One of them told me in particular, and I'm quoting him exactly, that I would never make it as an artist in this industry. And I'm telling you this not for sympathy, not because it is a rare story. I'm telling you this because it is the normal story. And I want you to understand it's nothing to do with your talent, and it's very little to do with the studios themselves. It has to do with how the industry is built, and I'll explain why in a minute. Now, I've ran my own studio for over a decade. I've built one of the biggest tattoo schools in the world. Some of those same studios that turned me away now get their apprentices to do my course. And I'm not telling you that to brag, I'm telling you it so you see the flip. The path I took is open to you. The conditions I started from are no worse than yours, and probably more or less the same. If I can tell you anything for certain, it's this. The thing in the way of your career in this craft isn't talent, it isn't connections, it isn't luck. It's that nobody has given you the proper method, and that can be fixed. Let's look at why. Let's start with what doesn't work, because before we get to the answer, it's worth being clear on why every other answer has failed you. Way number one, YouTube. The free videos are mostly good on their own and useless altogether. One video say hold your machine at 45 degrees, the next says 90, the third says 60. None of them tell you the why. There's no order, there's no first step, no second step, no way to know what you should be practicing this week versus next month. And while you're watching, YouTube is set up to keep you watching, not to help you learn. The result every time is that you've watched 200 hours of tattoo videos and you still can't lay one clean line. Then we move on to number two, the machine sitting on your desk. You've bought it, you've had it for weeks, months maybe, you haven't used it. Or you've used it twice, you didn't like what you saw, so you've put it back. That's not cowardice, that's smart. You're right to think that picking a machine up with no method will build bad habits faster than good ones. Your gut is right, but the answer your gut is giving you, wait until you somehow know more, That's wrong, because waiting doesn't teach you anything. Then way number 3, the apprenticeship. You may have tried, or you've thought about trying. Maybe you've got turned down. Maybe the studios near you aren't taking on anyone at the moment, or they only take you on terms that mean 2 years working for free in exchange for teaching that most of the time never really happens. I want to be fair about the apprenticeships before I go further, because I'll be accused of being unfair if I'm not. Some apprenticeships, by definition, are great. Most aren't, but some are. The reason most aren't is to do with how the industry is built, and I'll come back to that in just a moment. Way number 4, tattooing yourself or a friend way before you're ready. You've done it or thought about it. The result, nearly every time, is a tattoo that person carries forever as a reminder of the gap between what you meant to do and what you were able to do. There's 4 ways there, none of them work. And after each one, you're not closer, you're actually further away, because every failure adds doubt. And doubt is the biggest thing in the way of you ever picking the machine back up. Now we get to the question nobody in the industry is willing to answer you honestly. Why do all of these fail? The answer most people give is that tattooing is hard, that it takes years, that talent is rare, that the gatekeeper is there to protect the craft. That is not true. Or to be fair, it's partially true in a way that hides what's actually going on. Here's what is actually going on. The apprenticeship system, the way it works right now, wasn't built mainly to teach you. It was built mainly to filter people out and to give studios cheap workers while the filtering is going on. Now, I'm not saying that with bitterness, I'm saying it because you can see it. Look at how it works. An apprentice spends, at the low end, the first 6 to 12 months doing work that teaches them nothing about tattooing as a craft. Cleaning, sterilising, front desk, answering the phone, these are all useful things to know if you're running a studio. They are not how you learn to tattoo. And the reason given for them, that the apprentice has to earn the right to learn. It is about respect and not about teaching. Now, look at the second thing, the actual skills of tattooing. What you need to lay a clean line, control your shading, get dots even. They're a small set of skills, not endless, not magic, not something that has to be passed down master to student in some special way. Take needle depth. There are 3 zones in the skin. Go too shallow, the ink's gonna disappear. Go too deep, the ink blows out and spreads under the skin. Hit the right zone, the ink stays clean. These 3 zones have names that can be drawn as a diagram. They can be learned in one afternoon. Or the angle of the machine and how it meets the skin, or the speed of the needle, how fast it moves, or the shape of how a line starts and ends. These are not mysteries, they're facts, and they have rules that they follow. So it follows that if the skills are small in number and they can be taught, then a 2-year filtering period isn't there because the craft needs it. It's there because the industry needs it. It works for them. It does not have to work for you. And once you see this, the way forward, honestly, it gets obvious. When I worked this out, and it took me longer than I'd like to admit, the next question was simple. If the skills are small in number and they can be taught, what's the right order to teach them in? Because the order matters. It matters more than almost anything else. You can't learn to shade if you can't lay a line. You can't lay a line if you can't run the machine. You can't run the machine if you don't know how to set everything up. These steps don't swap around. They go in order one at a time. Here's the order that I ended up with after years of teaching and adjusting and fine-tuning. I'll name each one quickly here and then we'll look at each one in a moment. Layer 1, the foundations. You learn the gear, the machine, the needles, the inks, the station, the stencil. You don't tattoo just yet. You learn the tools before you use them. Layer 2, that's the line work, straight lines, curved lines, joins, circles, on practice skin. The most important skill of all, and the one that if you skip past it, will show up in every piece of work that you ever do. Layer 3, Dot work. Control of the machine through dots, solid fills, going from lines to surfaces. Dot work builds the hand control that makes shading possible. Layer 4, shading, round shaders, magnum, packing, whipping, brushing, shading, tapering. The skills that make your work look professional. That is the order. That's the whole foundation of tattooing, taught in an order that it has to be taught in. And it works, with the receipts to prove it. For over 100,000 people, 150,000 people in fact. Quick check-in, we're about halfway through. I'm going to tell you what the course actually is in just a moment, then what it costs, then how you can get it. So if you've stayed with me this far, I'm going to take it that you're serious, and I'll treat you that way. No tricks, no fake deadlines, no pretending the price is going to go up at midnight, because it doesn't. So let's carry on. The course is called The Fundamentals of Tattooing. It's the order that I've just laid out, built into a step-by-step course you can start within the next 10 minutes if you wanted to. It's taught entirely on video. Loads of lessons that cover everything. All of the practical work and the theory, so you have a deep understanding of not just what you're doing, but why you're doing it as well. There's 4 modules in the order that I've just gave. You watch, you practice, you submit your work, and you get feedback. Over 100,000 people in over 50 countries have done this course. I'm going to tell you exactly what's inside, what it costs, and what happens after you sign up. And I'm going to be specific so there's no surprises along the way. Here's what you're going to be able to do once you've worked through the course. 1, you'll be able to lay clean, even, straight lines, curved lines, joins, circles. This is the base of every readable tattoo. Without it, nothing else is going to work. 2, you'll be able to shade with control, using round shaders, using pointillism, packing, whipping, brushing, tapering, each one named, each one drilled, each one ready to use in real work. 3, you'll be able to do full shaded tattoo designs from start to finish, following the guided projects. Not just drills, actual designs done end to end. 4, you'll understand needle depth, machine speed, needle angle, and the reasons behind every choice you make. You won't be copying, you're going to be deciding. 5, you're going to have built a portfolio of practice skin work that shows real ability. Strong enough that if you chose to walk into a studio after this, you'll be walking in from a different place than you are right now. And 6, you'll earn a verified certificate. That matters less than the skill itself, but it's worth saying. Ours is one of the only courses in the industry that actually is assessed. You're not just buying a certificate, you earn it. We don't just hand it over. Those are the outcomes, solid, real, and the same across the whole student base. Let me walk you through what going through the course actually looks like in order. So module 1 is foundations, setting up your station, setting up your gear, your stencils, and getting your head right for learning a hands-on skill. You don't touch the machine to the mats just yet. You'll learn the system before you use it. Module 2, this is more the line work, straight lines, then curved lines, circles, drilled on the practice skin until they are clean and even. There's also then a quiz to make sure everything is sinking in. Module 3, this is when we touch on the dot work, dot density, solid fills, going from line to surface, making sure we're shading right up to right areas. This builds the machine control that you need before you can shade properly. Module 4 is the shading, round shaders predominantly, packing, whipping, brushing, tapering, then we touch the mags. By the end of this module, you're producing finished work now. There is also bonuses included, a line work bootcamp, a shading bootcamp, downloadable stencil packs, the bonus Magnum needle lesson, and 2 rounds of assessments where your work gets reviewed by a real person and you get detailed feedback of exactly what you're doing right, exactly what you're doing wrong, and a clear path of exactly what you need to do. These aren't optional add-ons, they're part of the standard sign-up. Let's talk about what this is worth and what it costs. These are 2 different questions and I want to take them one at a time. Other ways of getting taught. A weekend in-person tattoo workshop, the kind that's become really common in the last few years, will cost you between $2,000 and $5,000. The teaching is rushed, it doesn't go deep, and you forget most of it because 2 days just isn't long enough to drill anything into your hands. the one-to-one teaching. If you can find one willing to do it, runs between $100 to $300 an hour. To cover what's in this course at that rate, you'd be looking at $6,000 at the low end. And then there's the traditional apprenticeship, which gets called free. It isn't free. 2 years of unpaid or barely paid work, even at the minimum wage, is around $40,000 of lost income. That's the real price. And I'm telling you these numbers not to make what I'm about to charge you sound clever, but so that you get a real frame to compare it against. The fundamentals of tattooing is $149. One time, lifetime access, that's the price. Now, I want to talk about something that, if it's in your head right now, it's probably the thing that's holding you back. Not the price, not the time, the thought of wasting money on a course that turns out to be not what you thought it was. And that is a fair worry. You should have that. You've probably bought things online before that didn't deliver. Most people have, I know I have. So let me tell you exactly how I've handled that, because I've taken it off the table entirely. When you buy this course, one of two things is going to happen. Outcome one, you get inside, you go through the module one and you think, this is exactly what I'm looking for. You keep going, you do the work, you get the same results as hundreds of thousands of students have gotten before you. That's outcome one. Outcome two, you get inside, you look around, and for whatever reason you decide it is not for you. You email my team within 14 days. You get every single penny back. No questions, no forms designed to talk you out of it, no hoops, refund processed, done. Those are the two outcomes. There is no third outcome. There is no I've wasted my money option, because I've taken that option away. I've eliminated the risk 100%. Either you like it and you keep it, or you don't and you get your money back. So the only real question left is, are you willing to bet on yourself? Because the bet costs you nothing. If you're right, you're tattooing. If you're wrong, you get refunded. The downside doesn't exist. If you've ever talked yourself out of something like this before, I want you to notice what you're being asked to risk here, which is nothing, and what you're being asked to bet on, which is yourself. You'll have noticed that I've not given you a deadline. I haven't told you that the price goes up at midnight. I haven't told you that the bonuses disappear on Friday. There's no countdown timer, because countdown timers on a course that's always for sale are an insult to your intelligence. And I'm not going to insult yours. It's something that we used to have on the website, and I just really didn't like it, so we've removed everything. Look, I'm not prepared to put a clock on this. The price is the price. It's $149. It'll be $149 tomorrow, and it'll be $149 next month. The ball is in your court. So the question isn't whether the offer will still be there. The question is whether you'll still be in the same place when it is. How long have you already been thinking about this? 6 months? A year? 2 years? 5? Are you wanting to wait another 6 months? Another year? Because if you make the same choice that you've made every other time this thought has crossed your mind, which is most likely no choice at all, then 6 months from now, you'll be in the same place, watching another video, asking the same questions. That's the only deadline that matters here. It's not mine to set, it's yours. And with that said, here's what to do. Below this video, there is a button, or somewhere around it. It says buy the fundamentals of tattooing. Click it. You're going to go through to a checkout page. You put your details in. The whole thing takes less than a minute. You'll get an email with your login details straight away. You log in. You're in the course. Module 1 is right there waiting for you. Lifetime access, 14-day, 100% guarantee. All of the bonuses included. You just have to click that button. So just finally, let me bring everything together that I've just told you before you go. If you want to learn to tattoo, if you want to do it without begging for an apprenticeship, if you want a clear method instead of random YouTube videos, if you want to know that what you're practicing is actually right, the fundamentals of tattooing is the system. Used by over 100,000 students in more than 50 countries. That takes you from never having held a machine to producing full shaded designs on practice skin. There's 4 modules. 4 phases: the foundations, the line work, the dot work, the shading. Loads of lessons covering everything that you need, the theory, the practice, 2 rounds of feedback, a quiz, line work and shading boot camps, stencil packs, the Magnum Needle bonus, lifetime access. It's $149, 14-day guarantee. There's no deadline that I've made up for you. The button is below. I've told you what works, I've told you why it works, I've told you what to do. The rest is totally up to you. I'll see you inside.